Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is the Bosch WFF 1401. It's a Bosch washing machine. The bearings inside, if we give it a spin, the bearings sound terrible. So I'm going to turn it around, take the back off and get into it. So that was quite easy, really easy to get that out in fact, and it should be a really simple process. I've no issue that this water seal is leaking. I think it's completely fine. It's a bit grotty, you saw some of the snots coming out, but that's not a big deal. I have to get this out to replace the bearing. I've had a look at the other side, and I think this external bearing is fine. It feels lovely and smooth. Doesn't appear to have any play in it on my finger. I'm just wiggling it up and down, side to side, and twisting it and whatnot. But I'd like to get in to see the other bearing, which is trickier because I've got to get this fellow out. How do you get this out? Well, it's held in by these fins here, and they're semi-solid in the center. So if I get a screwdriver in and try and lip it out that way. Whoops, that worked. Worked really well. Now there's a bit of grease in here, so where's that come from? Probably out of the bearing. I don't want to tidy this up too much because any of the sealing grease that's in here, I know that it wasn't leaking before, so I don't want to let it leak now. Yeah, that one doesn't feel great. So here's the one I've just taken out. Lots of black grease around it. See, hitting it doesn't help. There's quite a bit of play side to side. But listen to that, it's quite dry inside, so all that grease is out. This one is a dud. It's still very clean. This is the one I've decided on. Sounds a lot better. It'll go in so far and get stuck, so then you need another bearing. That's it, bottomed out, new bearing in. So I'll get my seal, my water seal, just check it over, reinsert that here. And that's it, there isn't much reinsertion to it. It's these fins here that keep the water in. They're squeezed up against that steel tub. That's it, really. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and like if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you later.